Hello and welcome to my quilt block tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to make a 4-patch block. 4-patch blocks are simply 4 squares of the same size sewed together in 2 rows of 2. Before we get started, make sure you stay until the end for my exciting announcement, only for beginner quilters. To make a 4-patch square, you will need 2 contrasting fabrics for your block. I have cut my squares at 3.5 inches each. This 4-patch will finish at 6.5 inches. In order to construct the block, you need to pin 2 squares right sides together for each row. Set the seam by pressing on the seam. Open the seam and press the top row towards the right side. Do the same for the bottom row and press the row towards the left. This way, when you go to sew the rows together for the next step, your seams will nest together. Arrange the 2 rows together. Start by nesting the center seam and pin the row. This is what I mean by nesting. These 2 seams now fit together very well. Just going to press and make sure that they're together, and you can see that the 2 seams come together. And I'm going to go and sew them together. Set the seam by pressing on it and open the block. You can either press upwards or downwards or press your seam open. At this point, your 4-patch block will measure 6.5 inches, and that's the 4-patch block. It's a quilt block that's found in many quilt patterns, and it's an easy block to get started with. Since you stayed to the end, I'm happy to announce my upcoming free 1-hour workshop for beginner quilters. Join me on Saturday, April 18th at 12 p.m. Eastern for Beginner Quilter Kickstart. If you want to know if quilting is for you, make sure you join us. We'll be covering quilting basics, your quilter's essential toolkit, sewing machine little quilting terminology, and what to do next. Check the description for the link to register. I look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Thanks for watching. See you soon.